The one thing in Airsoft that you always need is a grenade. Those save you in the tough times. We're going to show you how to make one. Alright, go ahead.
Alright. Firecracker, an egg. See little holes in the eggs? Stick the fuse through them. Fucking balls. Then you take your BBs and fill them around. Alright. Can you hold that? Yeah.
Beep.
Take your tape. I feel sorry for John. Trying to grenade on him. Just cut a piece off.
Beep.
And you tape it on. Yeah. Yeah. There you go. One homemade grenade.
Ready?
Recording it.
Push zoom. Is it zoom? Can you see it? Alright, you're close. I'm just gonna dive back.
Oh, wow.
Hold on. Alright. I've been making grenades all day. Decided to get one thrown at me. Alright, go. Ah, dude, that hurts. That hurts the ear. It hurts the leg. Your leg. I don't know if I have any bruises.
Alright. This captain's of the Pirates crew, Airsoft. We were making airsoft grenades all day. Now we're gonna get one thrown at me. Time test it.
Go.
Yeah.
Hold on. Lighter.
Alright, lighter problems.